Hello guys, thanks for joining Bow Time with Kerry. Thank you for liking and subscribing to our channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to repair crack inside your gel coat and how to transition from gel coat to paint. Thank you and stay tuned. Let's talk about what we got here. The result of these cracks in the gel coat is because the boat is not being taken care of properly, like once a month, wax it, clean it, rinse it off, make sure the salt water not sitting on it. What am I doing right now is sanding the gel coat with some heavy grade sandpaper, 100 grit, to get as much gel coat also as possible. So we're done sanding, mask up, and get ready to prime now. Because the gel coat is in such bad condition, we're about to put on at least 5 layers of primer. After we're finished prime and it's dry, let's start prepping with some 320. So we already de-wax, blow off the dust, tack, let's get ready to paint. I put on 4 layers of paint. This is a final outlook. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you and have a good day.